Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Chettinad. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon for notifications. Today we are going to see how to prepare aloo stuffed wheat paratha. I have taken half kg of wheat flour. Then we have to add the needed salt. Then add 2 teaspoons of ghee. I have taken frozen ghee only. You can take melted ghee also, no problem. Then mix the ghee and salt with the flour thoroughly. Then we are going to use milk for preparing the dough. This is chill milk only. Use little by little and prepare the dough. When milk is over, you can use water. If you want, you can use completely milk for preparing the dough. Because we are using ghee and milk, the dough will be very soft. Finally, use 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and complete the dough. Close it with a wet cloth and leave it aside for 1 hour. Also close the container with a lid. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the stuffing. For that, we have to use potatoes. Potatoes with the peel are cut and boiled in the cooker for 2 whistles, and then peel has been taken out. Smash it thoroughly without lumps. Take 1 big onion cut into pieces like this, coriander leaves chopped like this, then curry leaves, and then green chilies fine chopped 4 chilies. We'll start preparing the stuffing now. Take a pan, heat it, put 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. When it gets heated, put half teaspoon of anise. Then add the curry leaves and the green chilies. Salt it. Then add the onions. Saute the onions till it becomes little reddish. Then we can add the smashed potatoes. So onions are now little reddish. So in this stage we can use the smashed potatoes. We have to add turmeric powder and salt to this. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder is added and the needed salt. Already boiled potatoes only, so fastly we can prepare the stuffing. Now add coriander leaves chopped into fine pieces like this, and then mix it well and complete the stuffing. So now the stuffing material is over. We'll start preparing the parathas. See how soft it is. So take one ball out of this, touch it with the wheat flour, then put a chapati like this, chapati or roti, whatever you call. Use a roller and prepare it. Thin chapati should be made. Keep the stuffing in the middle, spread it, and frill the corners like this. See how I am doing? And bring everything to the center and roll once again with the roller and make it somewhat thin. Like this you can prepare the parathas. This is one method of preparing. Heat the kadai, put some oil, It's actually put in tawa. Use oil, flip the sides, toast it well. See how it is seen very crispy. Flip 2 to 3 times, toast it well and take it out. See, crispy parathas are ready. See the stuffing and the paratha, like how yummy it is. Okay, the second method we'll see. Take a ball like this. Take two small balls and prepare two small chapatis. Two small thin chapatis have to be prepared. And over one, keep the stuffing, spread it, and keep the second one over it. Take a lid like this and then press it over and give a turn left and right so that exactly it is cut. Take the corners out. Wow, we have got an exact round shape paratha. Press the corners, then roll it once with the roller lightly. This is easy to prepare, and since we have made very thin chapatis, it will be easily toasted also. In the same way, heat the tawa, toast it with oil, turn 2 to 3 times and then take it out. So crispy aloo stuffed wheat parathas are ready. Whichever method you like, you can follow. See how crispy it has come. Try this recipe. You will like it surely. Like, share and comment for me. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.